Innovation.
Huh?
This call is now being recorded.
So today we will start the unit cam and follower. So cam and follower, it is a higher pair, correct? We have seen in the mechanism lower pair and higher pair. So this is a higher pair, correct? Having point contact or line contact. So here this is the figure in front of you where you can find this is a radial cam, it is rotating, and above the cam there is a follower. Now in this figure ruler follower I have drawn. Okay. So when cam is rotating, follower is translating, okay, or sometimes it is oscillating. So follower having upward and downward movement, correct? So cam is a rotating mechanical element which provides rotating, reciprocating, or oscillating motion to the other element attached with it, term as follows. So cam is a rotating mechanical element which provides rotating, reciprocating, or oscillating motion to the other element attached with it, term as a follow. So there is a rotation and there is a, here you can find a reciprocating motion, or sometimes you can find oscillating motion also. Okay. So this cam and follower widely used in IC engine to operate the valves. You know, IC engine, basically two types of IC engine we know, that is the petrol engine, is also known as SI engine, and second one is CI engine. In that again we can have the differentiation two stroke engine and four stroke engine. And in four stroke, you know it, there are the valves, that is the suction valve and exhaust valve. So to open suction and exhaust valve, open and close movement, that can be done with the help of cam and follower. This cam and follower also used in bottle filling plant. There is also you can find the use of cam and follower. Now classification of followers are there. So classification of followers are based according to surface in contact. Okay. Another criteria is according to type of motion of the follower, and next one is according to line of motion of follower. So first we will see according to surface in contact. So according to surface in contact, you can find knife edge follower. So this is the figure, knife edge. You can see here the shape of the follower is something like a knife. That's why it is known as knife edge follower. So it is rarely used because of this knife edge structure, excessive wear of cam takes place. Second one is roller follower. In the figure already I have drawn. So shape is roller shape. So this is widely used in aircraft engine and oil engine or gas engine. Third one is flat or mushroom follower. You can see here flat, or it is also known as mushroom follower. And this type of follower with the cam used to open valves mechanism in an automobile engine. And last one is spherical follower. So shape is just like a spherical. Next criteria according to type of motion of follower. So it is a translatory motion type of follower and oscillatory motion type of follower. In oral, definitely question asks, tell me the classification of follower, tell me the classification of camp. So in that case, you can able to answer. Third one is according to line of motion of the follower. So it is a radial follower and offset follower. Radial follower means motion of the follower is along an axis passing through the center of the camp. And offset follower is motion of the follower is along an axis away from the axis of the camp. Means there is some offset distance. That's what is known as offset follower. Next one is classification of camps. So these are also having some criteria. So according to type of shape, then according to follower movement, and according to type of constraint of the follower. So according to type of shape, so there is a radial cam or disc cam. Second one is cylindrical cam. Third one is translation cam. Next one is conjugate cam. Fifth one is globoidal cam. And sixth one is spherical cam. Okay. So these are some type of cams: radial cam, cylindrical cam, wedge cam or translation cam, conjugate cam, globoidal cam, and spherical cam. Next, according to follower movement, it is DRDRD cam. You have to remember this type of cam. DRDRD cam. Here, D means dual, R means rise, again D means dual. Next R is return and dual. Dual, rise, dual, return, dual. Okay. Next one is DRRD cam. Dual, rise, return, dual. I will tell you what is exactly dual, what is exactly rise, and what is exactly return. The next one is RRR cam. Rise, return, rise cam. And last one is DRD cam. Dual, rise, dual cam. Third is according to type of constraint of the follower. So it is a preloaded spring cam, and second one is positive drive cam. So these are various types of cams. Now, whatever we have seen according to follower movement, so DR, DRD, DRRD, or RRR, what is exactly that? So there are three types of follower movement, so which are rise, return, and dwell. So what is mean by rise or R? First R we have seen. What is mean by rise? Rise is nothing but it is the upward movement or displacement of the follower during the motion of cam is called as rise upward. Means displacement is increasing or there is upward movement of the follower. It is known as rise upward. Return. Rise means upward movement of follower. So return means downward movement of follower during the motion of cam is called as return. And what is meant by dwell? Dwell is nothing but there is zero moment of the follower or movement is constant. There is no movement. So there is zero moment or displacement of follower during the motion of cam is called dwell of the follower. Understood? So here with the help of this graph you can able to again find the what is DRDRD cam. So dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. See on x-axis always there is a cam angle. Always remember on x-axis there is a cam angle, and on y-axis always there is a displacement of follower. So if you draw displacement diagram, because you have to draw displacement diagram in the numerical. So this you have to remember on x-axis there must be a cam rotation, and on y-axis there must be a displacement of follower. Displacement of follower is in mm. Displacement of follower is denoted by letter S, capital S. Okay. So we can find here. So there is a dwell. Dwell is nothing but zero moment. So there is no moment of the follower here. After this, follower moment now increasing. So there is upward moment of the follower. So this is rise. Okay. That is called as rise. Then again you can find there is zero moment of the follower. This is again dual. Then here you can find there is a downward movement of the follower. This is written, and again there is zero movement of the follower. The cam rotation is one rotation consists of 360 degree. Okay, so there is a dual, rise, dual, return, dual. Okay, so this here on x-axis cam rotation theta. It is known as theta. Okay, and this is the displacement of ball. Okay, so this is d cam. Next one is dual, rise, return, dual, cam. So here it is a dual, then rise and return. Now after rise, again immediately return. So that's why there is no dual here. And after that dual. So dual, rise, return, dual. Here displacement of ball. So this is the displacement. How much is displace? Follow the displace. Then rise, return, rise. R. So starting from 0, rise, return, and again rise. So jam rotation angle theta and displacement of follower S. And last one is dual, rise, dual. DRD. Dual, rise, dual. Okay. So these are the types of jam. And here, most important point is types of motion of the follower. So always remember, as per in your syllabus, you are having four types of motion of follower, and these four types of motion of follower you have to study. When the cam rotates at a uniform angular velocity, follower have following motions. These are the motion of follower, not motion of cam. These are motions of follower. How many motions of followers are there? Four. Which are those? Number one, uniform velocity. Okay. Number two, SHM, simple harmonic motion. Number three, uniform acceleration and retardation. And number four, cycloidal motion. Okay. Students, how many motions are there of the follower? Four. Number one, uniform velocity. Number two, simple harmonic motion. Number three, uniform acceleration and retardation. And number four, cycloidal motion. So have you understood? So these are the basic terminology, or you can say theory of the cam and follower.